My name is Vijay Kumar and I welcome you all to my English class. Today I am going to discuss with you few grammar mistakes which English learners make. So shall we start? Okay, my first sentence is, what is your good name? Can you tell me whether this sentence is correct or not? So look here. Here this word good is written. There is no such word which is used before name. It should be, what is your name? Correct? Now the second sentence is, he is an honest. Now this sentence is wrong because a noun should be used after this adjective. Honest is an adjective, so a noun should be used after an adjective. So if we say that he is honest, this is correct, or we can say that he is an honest boy. So these two sentences are correct. So instead of writing he is an honest, we should write he is honest or he is an honest boy. Now the next sentence is, my cousin, brother or sister. So when we use a word cousin, it simply means cousin, brother or sister. So instead of using cousin, brother or sister, we should use only cousin or cousins. Clear? Now we move on to the next sentence. One of my friend is going to Goa. Now friends, when we are using this word one of my friend, it is wrong. This means you are telling that one of your friends, that means one of your many friends. So instead of using one of my friend, we should use friends. One of my friends is going to Goa. Now the next sentence is, I am 30 years old. Now this sentence is also incomplete. A noun should be used after this old, that means is adjective. So lady or man, these kind of words can be used after this. I am 30-year-old lady or man. Or we can say that I am 30 years old. Clear? Now the next sentence, you have made a big blunder. Now this word blunder itself means big mistakes. So either we use big mistake or blunder. So it should be, you have made a blunder. This big should not be used before blunder. Now the next sentence is, I have reached my final destination. So friends, here again final itself means last and destination is the last place. So instead of using final destination, we should use destination. So this sentence should be pronounced like, I have reached my destination. Now we move on to the next sentence. He is a cheater. So instead of cheater, cheat word should be used. That is a noun. Next sentence is, I will return back next week. So now there are two words, back and return. So both means the same. So it should be I will return next week. So back word should not be used in this reference. Now the next sentence is, what is the latest update? Here again, the latest and update. Update means the latest news or latest information. So when we are saying the latest update, it is wrong. Instead of this, we should say what is the update. So friends, these are few sentences which we are using wrongly. So next time when we use these sentences, please use them correctly. Thank you.